So this is our washer, making some crazy sound when it's doing some spin when they check in the bottom, and it looked like the bell actually came off. And the reason it came off is there's something wrong with this clutch or a split or a cam wheel here, and when I see it, it's kind of loose like this. So I decided to order this. $20 on Amazon. This is Whirlpool kit, and this is the actuator. $20, and the total is like $50. And I just replaced it. And here's this basically I ran one test, it's working. I'm doing it again. This is how to do it. And here's the service manual. This service manual is always included inside the washer, always in here. So this one initially it looked kind of complicated, but it's pretty straightforward here. So it says this is how you activate the service diagnosis test mode. So basically you spin the wheel kind of clockwise just to do a reset, and then right, 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 and then left, right. So like this. So just reset them. Right, 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 left, right. And that's all the light flashing. So successfully activating diagnosis test. So after I replaced the actuator, I actually ran the calibration, which is in phase 4 here. Very easy. You just basically you spin the wheel. After you get to this light, you spin the wheel until you get to 7. No, to 4. So this is the way that works here. Is this like 2 to the 0 is 1, 2 to the 1 is 2, 2 to 2. So this is a binary number system. So 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. But I already ran that. Now I just want to do an automated test mode. To do that, I need to get into this. This is an automated test. So number 2, or 2 here. Just I go 1, 2. So this light indicates number 2, and then I start. So start that one. Go to this thing very quick. I think the automatic test mode is basically you start right away. The lid will lock. You lock that lid light, and then it runs. Basically, one individual test. So 2 is cold water will activate, and then 5 seconds, and then it runs test number 3. Hot water, 4. So just run the EV test. You can see here 1, 2, 4. So this is 7, meaning it's running hot and cold water will actuate. Okay. After that, you see this light on, and then the rest of the other light off, because these are number 8. So test number 8. Actually, the hot water, cold water will run for roughly 45 seconds. And then shift the move to agitation position. Test number 8. Maybe 10 seconds. Switch over there. That's test number 8. 5 to 15 seconds, and then it goes test number 9. So this light will show up because this is number 1, this is number 8. Okay. The motor activated. 10 is drain pump with actuate. So 8 and 2 is 10. Okay. This one is 10. 30 to 40 seconds, and then after that we go to 11, shift them into a spin, and then more than spin 12. So let's see. Next light will come out this one after the drain. I've been watching a lot of video. And there's a special system to help with this one. So we see this is 11. So here 8, 2 and 1 is 11. That's 11, 5, 15 seconds. So shift the move to spin position. And then let's do a spin, 12. And that's 13. So trying to start. Let's remain locked until washer